When I started a YouTube channel, I started posting so many videos related to different field or different kind of contents. And after posting 20-25 videos, then I came to know that I am making a mistake. I am making a mistake that I am not properly recognizing my audience, that what they want and what they are expecting from me. And after that I realized the mistake is that many of my audiences don't know to speak English properly. So I thought that okay fine, this is also present in English speaking. Obviously when you start doing something, when you start learning something new which you have never done before, mistake obviously happens. After all, we learn from mistakes, right? So in today's video, I am going to tell you some of the biggest mistake you are making when you are trying to learn English. So hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai, watching me on the Expound. So on the caption and let's get into the video. The very first and the biggest and the huge mistake every people does, and in the beginning stage or when the person wants to learn English, the first mistake which he is doing is that translating English from his native language. Every language has a different kind of context and we cannot translate the native language into English. If you do, then you will end up making a wrong sentence, a sentence which has no meaning. For example, I will give you a sentence called in Hindi, मैंने कल उसको देखा. So if you actually translate the same thing in English, you will actually get it like me saw her yesterday. So this actually don't make any sense. I will give you another example in another language. You can take in Tamil as na avalapate. So if you translate that, it will come like me, her, saw, which has no meaning, which has no sense in it. So mainly, obviously it is true that in the beginning stage when you don't know to make the sentence in a proper way, the only language you know is your native language. So you don't have any option rather than repeating the same sentence in the same way in the English language. I think this should be definitely avoided. So if you are want to try to learn English, then I would say learn English in the way of English. Don't learn English in the way of any other language. And the second big mistake you're doing is you will never see the English news channels. I would say obviously you won't be so interested in politics or social issues which is happening around you or in your country, but I would say looking at your English channels or English news channels and listening to the debates, especially when you learn to listen to the debates which is spoken, you will be able to understand each and every people's thought, like how everybody is thinking and how their way of thinking. You will be able to recognize everything. So when you do that, because most of the things which they are telling in the debate, that will be somehow related to your thoughts. Whatever they are saying, you will also think about it. So I would say just start listening to the English news channels. Third big mistake you're doing is lack of consistency. Obviously, everybody say that consistency is the key to success. So if you are not doing things or learning things in a proper way of manner or not doing consistently, then obviously you're never going to succeed in that. Suppose if I am learning something today and if I am revising it after 1.5 months, obviously I won't remember it because so many things are coming into my mind that I will definitely forget that. So all you have to do is that whatever you have learned, be consistent. Whatever method you're following, be consistent and follow that again and again and revise everything again. That is the fourth point. Whatever you're learning, you should keep on experimenting on it. You should keep on reviewing that. Normally you can take in an examination also. If you're not learning the certain paragraph or certain questions consistently or you're not revising it consistently, obviously you are going to forget it and then you will be sitting and getting under. So I'm sure that you will definitely follow this, revising whatever you're learning. And the fifth big mistake you're doing is you are giving excuses. That people to talk with me in English, or I don't have a proper guider, or I don't have a proper mentor to teach me in English, or I haven't been to any CBSE school, because that is the reason why I'm not speaking English, or I'm not able to speak English. I'm telling you that you should never do that. I have already made another video where I have been telling about learn English with yourself, where you can learn English just by yourself without help of any people. I'm sure that will help you, and obviously it will affect people that being consistent and reading or learning the same thing again and again, that won't be much entertaining. And in the beginning you will be so enthusiastic, you will be enjoying the process in the beginning, but after some time that will get bored because you're repeating the same thing. That happens with everybody, that happens in every field, but your motive should be in your mind. Your motive is to learn English through, even though many obstacle comes in your way, you have to concentrate on what you want to do. So I think this all I want to tell you guys, these are the main mistakes which you are doing while you are learning English, and I think you should never ever do these mistakes again. If you ever have more doubt, I have more of the videos which is related to English speaking in my feed. You can go and check it out, where I will be actually correcting all the mistakes, and I will be telling you one of the most best ways where you can speak English. And never leave hope, never think that it is not possible. Everything is possible if you try. That is the only one mantra which I actually have it in my life, because when you are thinking about many other stuff that you're not able to do, I don't have this talent, I don't have this much amount of capability in me, then obviously you will never do it, because you are not at all self-confident, you are not at all believing in yourself. Thank you so much. Share this video with some people who really want to speak English. Let them know what all mistakes they are making during the time when they speak English or when they learn English. And if you can just comment on what you feel about this video. And thank you so much. Until the next video. What you're doing is that you are not at all forgot. The 5 big mistakes you're doing. In the meantime, if I have revised it in the middle, posting many videos from different fields, from different kind of content. And the final point, which is the time, that take time for it.